Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to edit shorts for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. So this is going to be a beginner's guide on how to edit shorts. The reason for making this video is I just started uploading shorts on my channel and I have basically learned it myself how to edit them. It's not really complicated, to be honest. You just have to know a few things and that's pretty much going to be it. There are some important steps which I would really like to share with you guys, the mistakes which I have done on my first shorts, such that you don't have to do it when you are editing yourself. Now you can use a desktop or you can use your smartphone. I will be using the smartphone for this video because it's going to be much convenient for people to edit on their smartphone. So the software which I will be using in this video is going to be Capcut, but you can use KineMaster, you can use VN editor or any other type of editor you like. Now Capcut is going to be available on App Store and Play Store. This video isn't sponsored by Capcut or anything like that. I really like Capcut because of the transitions and effects and auto caption. So that is the reason why I'm using Capcut for this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to import the footage whichever you want to edit for a short video. Now one thing to note right here is whenever you are downloading the footage, you want to make sure you download at the highest quality possible, such that whenever you are going to crop the video or you want to convert it into portrait form, because whenever you are going to crop the video, already it's going to lose a lot of the quality. If already the video is in bad quality, let's say at 360p 480p, then the video is going to get really blurry and your shorts are not going to be really nice. So whenever you are downloading the video, make sure you download the video in the highest quality possible. So once you have downloaded the video, the second thing you want to do is you want to import it into the Capcut or into the software which you are using. Basically, when you are importing the footage, you just want to trim the part which you don't really want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim everything before and after the clip, such that only 40 seconds of clip is left, which I will be editing and posting as a short video. So what you can really do is you just want to click and you want to click on split, and you can basically delete the part which you don't like. So you have to do it first. You have to watch the entire video. You have to note the timeline which the clip you want to use, and after that you can basically delete everything before and after. So once you have selected a part which you are going to use in the video, the second and the most important part you have to do is you want to turn the aspect ratio into the portrait form, which is 9:16. For that, first you have to click on the aspect ratio and you want to click on 9:16, or it's going to display this TikTok icon. You just have to click on OK. Once you have selected the project aspect ratio, now you have to crop the video also. You just have to simply tap on the video timeline itself, and there you are going to see an option for auto reframe. Now if you like, you can basically manually crop the video and make sure the subject is in the focus all the time, but it does take a lot of time and effort. One great part about Capcut is it offers auto reframe. You have to just click on auto reframe, just click on TikTok 9:16 ratio, and it's going to do it itself. It's going to keep the person or whoever is talking in the video in the frame all the time. One thing to note right here is whenever you have done the auto reframe, you have to manually check the video to make sure, because sometimes auto reframe can really mess up the aspect ratio. So you have to do some splits and you have to crop it manually. Once you are done with cropping the video, now comes the important part, is putting some caption on it. So of course you can manually caption the video if you really like, but most softwares do have auto caption. You just have to basically click on the video itself. You have to click on text, and there you are going to see an option for auto caption CC. You just have to click on it, make sure the internet connection is good, and you need to click on generate. Before clicking on generate, you have to really select the template which you really like. No, it's up to you, whichever you like. I really like the single word kind of template. It looks good, it's really fast. So I'm going to select this one right here, and I'm going to click on generate. So once you are going to click on generate, it's going to take a few minutes or seconds depending on your internet connection. So once your video has been captioned, you have to basically adjust the text. You have to make sure it's center of the screen and it's not too big, it's not too small. If your subject is getting blocked by the text, you can basically move the text up or down according to the place wherever you see the text is like okay. So for me, I really like to put it in the middle because it's a single word. It kind of looks good and people can directly read it without any problem. So once we are done with cropping the video and doing the caption part. Now we have to put some different effects just to make the video look cooler. We can really add the music at this step also. So what I really like to do is first I really like to use this 90s kind of effect on my video. Basically gives an old film type of feeling on the clip itself. Now it's up to you whichever effect you like the best. I've tried so many, and after that I really like this one. If there is some other kind of filter you really like, you can try it for yourself. So once you have select whichever effect you like the best, now comes the important part of putting a watermark on the video. The reason why you would like to put a watermark is when you're done uploading the short video, someone can really easily download it and put it on their channel. So what you can really do is you can basically put a watermark of your channel. So my channel name is DIY Tech. So what I really like to do is I like to click on add text, and I just like to use two letter of my channel, D and T, which stands for DIY Tech. I can really select different kind of font, different color, different shadow, just to make the text look really nice. And I just like to make it really small and put it in the corner or maybe in the middle, and just make sure it's small. It doesn't block the video itself, or it doesn't block the subject, and it also makes a watermark right here, such that if someone tries to steal your video, they are always going to have a watermark. So once all of these parts are done, now we will come to the transition parts, adding different kind of transition. Capcut has tons of different kind of transitions which you can select from. Now it's up to you whichever you like the best. I've been using transitions for almost a week now, and almost now I got the transition which I really like, which is a side swipe kind of transition. Now it's up to you whichever transition you like the best. Make sure the transition isn't very long. You have to keep it really nice and short, such that your audience don't get bored. So once you have cropped a video, you have put captions, you have put watermark, effects and transitions. Now it's up to you if you like to edit some other things, such as you like to enhance the quality of the video, you like to put some music. It's all up to you. Whichever editing software you are using, you can really add different music, you can add different sound effects. Now it all comes to the type of video which you are editing. Maybe if you are editing some kind of a motivational video, you can put a soundtrack, you can put some good kind of effects on the back. Maybe if you are just taking a clip from a movie, you don't really need any kind of music or sound effects. Everything is going to be there already. So it's all up to you on whichever type of video you are making. Now basically you can just set the export settings. So I really like 1080p and 30 frames per second. By default it's going to be set on these settings, and you just have to click on export, and that's pretty much it. So basically the reason for making this video is because I just started making some short videos, and there was some things which I couldn't really understand, due to which my shorts were not really good. So because I have learned it, so I decided to share it with you guys. Of course this video is going to be lacking so many different steps which I do every day, such as using different kind of body effects, or maybe using a tracking effect on the face and all those kind of stuff. It does take a lot of time if I'm going to put all of these things into this video. If you like to see more, like how to download the video, on how to add different kind of body effects, and how to basically do the tracking on Capcut and all those kind of stuff, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a separate video on this. So with that being said, I will put a link in the description for Capcut if you need to download for App Store or Play Store, or you want to download on your Windows PC. All the links are going to be in the description below. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So like the video if you like it. If you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.